Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're new here, we're all about sharing the best tips, tricks, and reviews to make your life a little more organized, stylish, and fun. Today, we're diving into the Vtopmart 12.1W Clear Stackable Storage Drawers, a versatile solution for organizing everything from makeup palettes to kitchen essentials. Stick around, and let's see if this product lives up to its claims. The Vtopmart storage drawers are designed with versatility in mind. Each set includes 2 stackable acrylic bins with outer dimensions of 7.5 inches deep, 12.1 inches wide, and 3.5 inches high. The drawers themselves are slightly smaller, offering a usable space of 7.2 inches deep, 11.6 inches wide, and 2.5 inches high. These containers are clear for easy content identification and come with built-in handles for effortless access. To top it off, they include non-slip silicone pads for added stability. Constructed from durable, BPA-free, shatter-resistant plastic, these drawers promise a stylish and functional way to organize your home. Setting these up was straightforward. I appreciated that they came pre-assembled, so it was just a matter of placing them where I needed them. I tested these in a few key areas: my vanity, kitchen, and bathroom. On my vanity, they were a game changer for storing makeup palettes and smaller beauty products. In the bathroom, they kept skincare and toiletries tidy without hogging counter space. In the kitchen, I tried them under the sink to organize cleaning supplies. They handled everything well, but the 2.5-inch drawer height is better suited for smaller items rather than bulkier ones. Now let's break it down. Pros: multi-purpose design. These bins work everywhere: vanity, kitchen, bathroom, and beyond. Stackable and space-saving. Vertical storage makes a big difference, especially in tight spaces. Clear acrylic material. The transparency helps you find what you need at a glance. Non-slip silicone pads. These add stability, even on smooth surfaces. Durable construction. BPA-free plastic feels sturdy and resistant to minor bumps. Cons: limited drawer height. The 2.5-inch depth can be restrictive for larger or oddly shaped items. Not dishwasher safe. Cleaning requires manual effort, which might be inconvenient for some users. Acrylic susceptibility. Like many clear plastics, it can scratch easily if not handled carefully. At their price point, these drawers offer solid value for money, especially considering their durability and versatility. That said, they're best suited for lighter organizational needs. If you're looking to store heavier items, you may want to explore sturdier alternatives. Compared to similar products, these drawers stand out for their thoughtful details, like the non-slip pads and pull-out handles. However, if you're looking for larger storage options, you might consider other brands with deeper or bulkier configurations. The build quality is commendable, durable, yet lightweight. While I haven't had these long enough to comment on longevity, the BPA-free material feels robust enough for regular use. If you've stuck with me this far, here's a little Beautyistic moment. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for more tips and reviews like this one. It's the easiest way to stay organized, one video at a time. In conclusion, the Vtopmart storage drawers are a practical addition for anyone looking to declutter and organize smaller items stylishly. They excel in compact spaces and bring a sleek, modern look to any room. While not perfect for every need, they deliver on their promise of convenience and versatility. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to snag these drawers in the comments box below. Have questions or already own this product? Let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep your life as clear and organized as these bins. And remember, beauty starts with simplicity.